Good morning, Charlie. Charlie, are you going to Disney today? Dylan, where are we going today?
We're going to Disney.
Yay! Where are we?
Way to do what you want.
I'll do whatever I want.
We're at Disney World's Animal Donkey Land.
Wow. I didn't know they renamed it.
Courtney, lead the way.
Okay. Charlie, you look cool. Oh my god, he looks so cute.
I'm trying to get a selfie here.
Yeah.
Might have to throw these sticks.
This tram, please. Sit back, relax, and driver, we are clear for this action. Please add left this side while the tram.
No, but it's... Tanner has to leave because I'm doing videos. Want the trees like Dylan, wait, who's that over there?
It's Kevin.
That's Kevin? That's hilarious.
Kevin, you're so polite. I rate that 5 out of 5. Hi, friends! Good to see you. I think we're going to continue venturing forward, but you can follow
Hey, Charlie.
Charlie, who's that?
He's just locked in.
Who is that?
You like the birdie?
How is the bug's life? Did you get poked in the back?
No, but a bug ran under my ass.
I know, same.
That was a good one at the end.
Always catch up with you guys. We're going on a ride.
Have fun!
We'll see you later. All right, crew. Let's do it. You guys all here? Excuse me. It's like low light mode, but my cutie. I'm a second video. Just because you guys are all standing in light right now. The glowing. It's funny, I cannot see you. All I can see is your shirt and your nails. Yeah, that's because the water's been contaminated.
Want a selfie with me?
Yeah, selfie video. In it. Very spooky. Austin.
We need you to enter the room and stand on your assigned number.
Stand on your number. God damn it. We wake up in a bathtub.
Once you've found your number, please make sure everybody can see the screen. Okay.
Wave. Other hand.
All right.
You've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're ready for you.
Hold on. He's not impressed yet. Look. Cheers. Woo. We're taping, but are we on the
Back, everybody else. A few quick safety reminders. Just remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs, all that good stuff inside the truck at all times. We tend to like to camouflage, so we'll keep an eye out, see what all we can spot. Out towards your right, there is an old copy out in the distance over there. And the old copy is wearing some zebra pants. Aww. It's actually related to the giraffe for its facial structure and very long prehensile tongue. The okapis tongue is so long it can lick its own eyeball. Isn't that gross? Yeah, a little hard to miss. They're also one of the tallest antelope species. They will grow between 18 and 20 feet in length. And they're going to weigh over 500 pounds.
Wow, are those big crocodiles, maybe?
Crush the bones of their prey, which could be anything. Large horns on their heads. Those large horns act as a cooling system for them. Their blood is going to circulate through those horns, and that'll disperse the heat to keep them cool. Lots of zebra here to your right, and there's two. As I said, these are Hartsman mountain zebra. They are black with white. Whenever a baby giraffe is first born, it'll stand about 6 feet tall just by flapping their ears. Very good view of those elephants right there. We're also about to see some flamingo is first born. It'll be very small and gray and fluffy. After about a year, their name from the Afrikaans word "veit," meaning wide, not white, for their wide set jaw. Whenever you see the lions together in a group, they're called a pride of lions. And the lion electronics, you can help save the elephants. To the park, you can stop by any quick service, food, or merchandise location and make a donation to Disney's Conservation Fund. Disney will match dollar for dollar whatever.
Right over there. Look at them. There's a bunch of them. Oh, big chonkster, man. Come look at the big boy. He went for a little running. Aww, Charlie. Where are you? Aww.
What is that, Jenna?
Dole Whip pineapple float with coconut rum.
He's trying to bite my shoulder. Those little teeth of his are biting into my shoulder. It's alright.
Think you're a dino? Some more milk?
I think we gotta get ourselves booked in so we can do something.
I know about it. It's just very pretty. With a trying to not be bad.
That's what's more exhilarating.
Oh, okay.
River raft.
Yeah, no good.
How do I? Oh, there we go.
It's supposed to go in there, it says.
It might have.
says Sprite, right?
No, soda.
So pretty strong, I'd say.
Yeah, the bottom one is red.
Healthy in a lot of ways. All right, Mama, come over here.
No, by the time we're off the ride, you'll be stumbling around.
That's some sun for you. How you guys feeling?
I can't believe there's 0 line.
I know what I'm about to go through, so.
You're scared? How you feeling?
My hands will be shut.
Got bombs, buddy. Oh God! Come here, wave.
That'll be nice.
How'd that feel, baby?
That was fun.
A little windswept after. A little windswept after that. What side? Oh?
You got your stuff on the front?
Yep. Got everything. Holy crap!
That was legit.
How we feeling?
Legit.
I got my strap. Oh God, thank you.
Atención, guarden todos los artículos sueltos, abróchense los cinturones y permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del
magic to create a beacon, shining out and celebrating 50 years of the most magical place.
And now we gotta find the car.